Hello Manoj, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. And you, sir?
I am fine, thank you. So fine, introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay, sir. Hi, I'm S. Manoj. I'm
Tamil.
studying BCom General in Fatehpur College in Amjikarai. நான் 10th and 12th வந்து ஸ்ரீபெரும்புதூர்ல இருக்க விவேகானந்தா வித்யாலயா மெட்ரிக் ஹையர் செகண்டரி ஸ்கூல்ல தான் படித்தேன். 10th வந்து 464 out of 500 and 12th வந்து 1099 out of 1200.
Okay, fine. So in which college you are now? Once again?
Fatehpur College, sir.
Where is it?
Amjikarai, sir. Amjikarai. Chennai,
So,
Amjikarai.
how have you got admission there?
I got via my mark only, sir. Through counseling only, sir.
Okay, so what is the cutoff to get admission there? You can speak in Tamil.
மினிமம் கட் ஆஃப் வந்து அபோவ் 600 இருந்தா போதும். அதாவது எந்த கேஸ்டா இருந்தாலும் அபோவ் 600 இருந்தா போதும். அதே மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் கோட்டானா 500 450 அபோவ் இருந்தா கூட மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் கோட்டா கூட ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
What is management quota?
Management quota means not by mark, by giving money and joining in college.
Okay, fine. So for undergraduate course, what are the courses being taught in Pachiyappa?
Undergraduate courses, BCom General, BCom Corporate, BSc Advanced Zoology and Biotechnology, BSc Physics, BSc Chemistry, BSc Maths, BA Tamil, BA English.
Okay, fine. What is your college timing?
College timing 9 to 2, sir. Morning 9 to 2 p.m.
Is there any second evening class in your college?
Yes, the evening class also conducting in our college. The timing is 2 to 6, sir.
Okay, fine. So, what is college fees there?
For morning shift, sir, the college fees is totally 2,500 only, sir. For every branch, only 2,500. And for examination fees, per paper 100 rupees, sir. Totally 6 papers. They have to pay 600 for exam.
Okay, fine. So in 1 year, how much total expenses in college? Means adding college fees and all other fees, book fees, all those things.
3,500 only, sir. 3,500.
Fine. So you are day scholar or hostler?
Day scholar, sir. I'm a day scholar.
Okay, fine. So as you are a day scholar, what is your monthly pocket money expenses?
Monthly pocket money.
If suppose any
200 only, sir.
How much?
200 only, sir.
No. I am asking that suppose any student who is staying near Sriperumbudur or nearby area and they have to go to Pachiyappa College. Okay, so in that situation, pocket expenses like bus fare, then canteen, all those things. Okay, sometimes going with friends to somewhere. Okay, so in that situation, how much will be minimum expense for 1 month?
Minimum expense will be 1,000 rupees, sir.
1,000 rupees per month.
1,000 rupees per month.
Okay, fine. So now tell me, as you are doing BCom General, what is your dream?
Yes, sir. To become chartered accountant, sir. CA.
Chartered accountant, wow, very nice. So what is the procedure of being a chartered accountant? Because many students, they want to be CA, okay. When I go to take classes in commerce department in school, okay, they say that they want to be a CA, but they don't know how to be a CA. So will you please explain to the viewers that what is the step-by-step process of being a CA, how much time it takes, what is the examination being taken, and what is the duration, okay, then after being CA, what they have to do, like that. Please explain in brief.
Okay, sir. I can explain in Tamil only, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. இப்போ வந்து நம்ம சிஏ வந்து 12th முடிச்சுட்டு ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாகவும் பண்ணலாம், இல்லை ஒரு டிகிரி முடிச்சுட்டும் பண்ணலாம். 12th முடிச்சுட்டு ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருந்தால் ஃபவுண்டேஷன் கோர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு ஒரு எக்ஸாம் எழுதுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். அந்த ஃபவுண்டேஷன் கோர்ஸில் வந்து மொத்தம் 4 சப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்கும். ஃபவுண்டேஷன் கோர்ஸில் அந்த 4 சப்ஜெக்ட் பேர் என்னன்னா பிரின்சிபல்ஸ் அண்ட் ப்ராக்டிஸ் ஆஃப் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ், பிஸ்னஸ் லா, பிஸ்னஸ் மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ் அண்ட் லாஜிக்கல் ரீசனிங் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ், பிஸ்னஸ் எக்கனாமிக் அண்ட் பிஸ்னஸ் கமர்ஷியல் நாலேஜ், இந்த 4 சப்ஜெக்ட்டும் நம்ம பாஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். இந்த 4 சப்ஜெக்ட் எப்படி நம்ம பாஸ் பண்ணணும்னா, ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து 100 மார்க்ஸ் அப்படின்னா டோட்டலா 400 மார்க்ஸ். நம்ம வந்து இப்போ சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு 40 மார்க்ஸ் எடுக்கணும், பட் ஓவரால் டோட்டல் வந்து 200 வேணும். அப்படின்னா நம்ம ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட்ல 40 மார்க் எடுக்கலாம். அது இல்லாம எக்ஸ்ட்ரா 10 மார்க், அதாவது 50-50 எடுத்தாதான் நம்ம வந்து ஃபவுண்டேஷன் கோர்ஸ் பாஸ் பண்ண முடியும். ஒருவேளை நீங்க வந்து பிகாம் டிகிரி இல்ல பிஎஸ்சி டிகிரி அந்த மாதிரி டிகிரி முடிச்சுட்டு போறவங்களா இருந்தா அட்லீஸ்ட் 65% மேல நீங்க காலேஜ்ல ஸ்கோர் பண்ணியிருந்தா மட்டும்தான் உங்களால இன்டர்மீடியட் கோர்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா எழுத முடியும். இல்லைன்னா நீங்களும் ஃபவுண்டேஷன் எழுதிதான் போகணும். இன்டர்மீடியட்ல வந்து இன்டர்மீடியட் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்க பிகாம் இல்ல பிஎஸ்சி படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கீங்கன்னா இன்டர்மீடியட் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு 2 வீக்ஸ் கோர்ஸ் ஒன்று அப்ளை பண்ணும். அது வந்து இந்த அதுக்கு நீங்க வந்து ஒரு கோர்ஸ் அப்ளை பண்ணி அதை பாஸ் பண்ணா மட்டுமே உங்களால இன்டர்மீடியட் ஜாயின் பண்ண முடியும். அந்த இன்டர்மீடியட்ல வந்து யூ ஹேவ் டு there is 2 groups, group 1 and group 2. Each group consists of 4 subjects, totally 8 subjects in intermediate. You have to pass the total 8 subjects. In group 1 கூட எழுதிக்கலாம். ஒருவேளை நீங்க group 1ல 4 சப்ஜெக்ட்ல ஏதாவது ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட்ல ஃபெயில் ஆகிட்டீங்கன்னா அந்த group 1 வந்து ஃபுல்லா எழுதணும். அதுல எந்த ஒரு ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ஷன் இதுவுமே கிடையாது. group 1ல வந்து அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ், கம்பெனி லா அண்ட் அதர் லா, காஸ்ட் அக்கௌண்டிங் அண்ட் டேக்ஸ், இந்த 4 சப்ஜெக்ட். Group 2ல வந்து அட்வான்ஸ் அக்கௌண்டிங், ஆடிட்டிங், என்டர்பிரைசஸ் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் சிஸ்டம் அண்ட் ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜிக் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட், ஃபினான்ஷியல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் அண்ட் எக்கனாமிக். இதுலயும் ஃபவுண்டேஷன் கோர்ஸ்ல சொன்ன மாதிரி தான். இப்போ சப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து 100 மார்க்ஸ், டோட்டலா 400 மார்க்ஸ். Each subject you have to score 40 marks, but you have overall score you have to have 200 marks. Intermediate முடிச்சதும் ஆர்டிகல்ஷிப், அதாவது ட்ரைனிங், you have to go training under an auditor for 3 years. You have to complete 3 years articleship to join finals. 3 years articleship நீங்க முடிச்சா மட்டும்தான் உங்களால ஃபைனல்ஸ் போக முடியும். அப்படியே நீங்க ஃபைனல்ஸ் வந்தாலும் அதுலயும் group 1 group 2ன்ற 2 குரூப் இருக்கு. அதுலயும் 4 சப்ஜெக்ட், டோட்டலா 8 சப்ஜெக்ட் நீங்க அட்டெண்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். group 1 financial reporting, statistics, financial management, advanced auditing and professional ethics, corporate law and other economic law. இது group 1. group 2ல வந்து statistics, cost management, direct tax and international taxation, advanced indirect tax. இதுல 8 சப்ஜெக்ட் மட்டும் you have 6 papers. 6 பேப்பர்ஸ்ல நீங்க ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு பேப்பர்ஸ் உங்க இஷ்டம் நீங்க சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அந்த 6 பேப்பர்ஸும் வந்து risk management, international taxation, economic law, financial service and capital market, global financial reporting standard, case study. இதுல நீங்க ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட் சூஸ் பண்ணி பாஸ் பண்ணணும். இதுலயும் அதே மாதிரி தான். you have to score 200 ஸ்கோர் பண்ணா மட்டும்தான் உங்களால ஃபைனல் பாஸ் பண்ண முடியும்.
That's all. Okay, fine. So, how much total time it takes to become a CA?
At least we have to spend 5 years, sir. 4.5 years.
After plus 2?
After plus 2 and after BCom also we have to spend 4 years.
Oh, wow. Fine. So, is there any entrance exam to write for being a CA?
Yes, sir. If you finish 12th, we have to write foundation course. It's an entrance exam for CA. Okay. Or if you finish BSc or BCom, we have to attend a 2-week course, sir. The 2-week course is an entrance exam for CA, sir.
Okay, fine.
We have to pass the 2-week course.
Okay, that means even if any student is from science stream, they can join CA course.
Yes, sir. They can join.
Oh, no. Wow, very good. Okay, fine. So, a student who want to go through that CA institute, ICAI, something like that.
It's the ICAI, sir.
Okay, fine. So, that is very difficult to pass out the exam. So, what are the steps students should take from the beginning of their 11th? Okay, see what happens here. I have seen that students, when they are in 11th or 12th, they just go through the books. Okay, nothing extra knowledge they grab from outside. Okay, so in that situation, when they come to the professional courses, it becomes very tough for them to compete with the students of CBSE schools. Okay, yes, and when it comes to all India ranking, it becomes very, very tough to them, because in North India what happens is students start working from the beginning of 11th. Okay, they go through textbook, they go through different magazines, journals to grab all the knowledges. Okay, so what information you want to share to the students who are in 11th now or going to 12th or passed out 12th? Means other than books, what extra they should do?
They have to spend time, sir.
Yeah.
They have to spend time. They have to search in internet. There is a lot of information in internet about CS, sir. www.icai.org. They have a study material. They can download it and they can read it, sir. First, using Android mobile. We have to cut off Android mobiles. There is no use of Android mobiles. If you buy the book, there is no use of Android mobiles. ஒருவேளை நம்ம ஆண்ட்ராய்ட் மொபைல்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணோம்னா கண்டிப்பாக நம்மளால படிக்க முடியாது. We can't study sir using Android mobiles. Because while using Android mobiles, we will usually turn on the net. நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து மெசேஜ் அனுப்புவாங்க. We have to reply them. So time will go on like that, sir. So using Android mobile is the first tragedy, disaster for our studies.
Okay, fine. So in Pachepa College, as you have said, 1 year fees is around 4,000 rupees maximum. Okay, if now you are paying something around 3,500. When the juniors will go next year, okay, or in subsequent years, even if the fees will increase, it will not be more than 100 to 500 rupees. Okay, so is your college a government college or private college?
Government college, the government aided college.
Okay, under which university?
Madras University.
All right, fine. So one thing it happens that in colleges, students have fear with seniors. The newcomers have fear with seniors. Okay, have you faced any kind of ragging with your seniors when you have joined the campus?
No, sir, they are too good, sir. But I have fear for 1 year. 1 week, sir. 1 week. For first 1 week, I have fear. But after I have met my seniors, they are too good, sir. There is no ragging in our college. Inside our college, there is no ragging.
Okay, fine. All right. And then how seniors help in studies?
Sir?
How do seniors help in studies?
Seniors, they gave us some study materials. They will give some ideas to how to finish this accounts, commerce, and law. They will explain the law, sir. Because they know very well about the law, sir, so they can explain us.
Okay, fine. So it is better to be friendship with seniors.
Yes, sir. It's better. It's too better to be friendship with seniors because they are only going to help us in studies.
Okay, fine. So when you have joined the college, what changes the college has brought in you after leaving the school?
Changes means I can face any problems in the society, sir. After joining this college, I can face any problems in this society.
Okay, that means the college has made you self-sufficient.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. One more thing, there are many students who are from very poor family background, okay, or whose parents are not even able to pay them 1,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees per year. Okay, so is there any kind of part-time job available for boys or girls who can do after college hours?
Yes, sir. There is lot of not inside the college, but outside the college there is a lot of part-time jobs in malls, sir. Skywalk, VR, and there is a medical shop. We can join in that medical shop. They gave us 10,000. Full-time means 10,000. Part-time means 6,000, sir. And college also giving some funds like scholarships, sir. If you pay 3,500, at last year they will repay the amount to our bank account, sir.
Okay, fine. There are some. See, wherever you will go, there will be have different standards of students. Okay, even if you go topmost college of the world, again there are some mediocre students, some talented students, some best students. Okay, so same thing happens in your college also. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
if any student is the best among all, okay, what extra benefit college gives him? Suppose if any student has got the highest marks in exam, okay, is there any kind of scholarship or other facilities given by the college?
So they don't give the scholarship, but they buy books for next semester, sir.
Okay, all right. And in Anna University, what happens there is, if suppose any student is the first graduate of the family, okay, they give some fees deduction and some scholarships to them. Is it same in your college also?
No, sir, because this is a low fees in Chennai. Low fees are like 2,500, so they don't give any scholarship for first graduate.
Oh, okay, fine. So, tell something about the campus life.
Campus.
Means other than studies, what other activities
Yes, sir.
in campus with your friends, with seniors? You know what I am saying. You can speak in Tamil.
So when I can manage in English. Sir.
Okay.
When I enter the college at 9, sir, I will enter the college at 7 or 9. I will enter the college at 7. Then a lot time during class period we play PUBG, sir. The most entertaining one, we play PUBG during accounts period.
Okay, fine. So,
And we are the outstanding.
okay, one question. When you were in school, okay, there is teachers, they have said you that this question, this page, this paragraph, memorize this all. Everybody has forced you to memorize the questions, okay. Is the same thing happens in college also?
No, sir. They give the book, you have to read the full chapter. There is no memorizing in college life, sir.
Okay, and one more thing is there that in college exams in 10th and 12th, question comes from textbooks, that book back like that. In college exams or university exams, are the questions coming from directly from book or related to the book, but which is not given in the book?
Theoretical question means they have some extra questions, sir. But account and statistics means they have book back only, sir. Book back and example.
All right, fine. So, in the campus of your college, what are the facilities given for students? Given to students like medical, gym, library, like that.
We have three libraries, sir. For commerce, science, and maths, they have 3 libraries. And we have professional stores, we have canteen. Opposite to the college, we have hospital.
All right, fine. So, last but not the least, what message you want to give to your juniors or who aspire to be a CA?
Juniors, first of all, we have to be honest, sir. We have to be honest to ourselves because you can't. It is difficult to start something, sir. It's difficult to start CA because all the people around us will say it is so difficult. You can't write, you can't win. But if you wish to win, you have to do hard work and you have to be honest. We have to respect all of us. We have to study, sir.
Okay, one more question. What is the work of a CA?
Work of CA, chartered account, calculating GST. We have to calculate GST and we have to report it to the government. Whether I don't know someone, we have to honest to the company or you are going to honest to the government, but we have to report it to the government annual profit of the company. You have to report it to the government.
Okay, that means once anybody gets a CA degree, they can go to private sector as well as in government sector.
We have to register in ICAA, the CA. Central government, we have to register. Whether we can go to private or we can go to public sector.
Okay, and recently there is a trend that many students who complete CA, they make a collaboration and make their own firm, and then they take work from different companies for auditing. Okay, is it a profitable job?
Sir?
Is it a profitable job to start on firm, on company?
Yes, sir, it's a profitable job, sir. Because if you join one company, they will give us a monthly salary like 70 or 80,000. Or if you start our own company, we can audit two companies. and our friend colleagues can handle two companies. They can earn more profit, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So, what is the minimum salary of a CA at the starting level?
Starting level 80,000, sir, per month.
80,000. Wow, very nice. Okay, and once any student or any professional who has done chartered accountancy for around 10 years, okay, after that, how much will be the salary?
After that, the salary will be 80,000, but the working time will be reduced, no, sir.
No, that not I am asking. If suppose
Okay, sir.
he has got experience of 10 years, 12 years, okay, then yes, then after that, how much will be the salary?
1.5 lakhs above per month.
Wow. All right, fine. Fine, Madhavan. Thanks, Manu. Sorry. Thanks for all your inputs, insights.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.